Alright, Fernando, here's your 347 small block Ford gear description. It's a combination. It's got several As-Cast heads on it. Got the AC intake. Holley Terminator X fuel management, great system. Got the Billet Specialties front end, beautiful. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Put the front sump up in. Go in there and make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 405 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 421, peak horsepower 430, rate of 425. It's got a front end on it, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watch all the tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specifications. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest thing for us to look you up. Hover over there, QR code, take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.